is Chef Crusock. I am the owner of this restaurant. The restaurant of flowers and fabrics. This is my restaurant. Where is my cooks?
I'm here, sir.
Hello, Chef.
Hello, everybody. Today will be a good day. We will be feeding a lot of people, okay?
Wow.
Be focused. No hanky-panky.
Hello.
They always make a hanky-panky.
Hello. Hey, can we get any service here?
Yeah, we need service.
Certainly.
Who is that?
Us rowdy lesbians need service right now.
Where are you?
Right here.
Oh, hello.
Hi.
Hello?
Stir the food.
Hello. We would like to purchase food
We
from
are
you.
customers.
Well, you have to take a look at my menu. It's up here. Oh, yes, my menu is up there.
There are
I see.
Today my special is a fried dandelions with old cheese
I
and
recommend it.
some boots.
That's gross. Ew. Why do you
30
have
cents.
dogs and people? Like, why are there so many animals in here?
These guys are watching us.
Animals.
Equal opportunity.
This is an animal cafe. What do you mean? What are you?
Well, I just don't think it's sanitary for animals to be cooking our food.
I don't. What are,
Equality for all.
You.
who are you?
Get away from me.
I don't know who you. What is going? Where's my chefs? Where my chefs go? This is not acceptable.
What are you doing?
What are you guys doing?
So gross.
You have to focus and cook the food for the lesbians. This is not okay.
Okay, we're gonna cook. Okay, fine.
I supervise.
They always
I will
get
head
distracted. Always
Positions,
distracted.
everyone.
This is a strange place. Yes, it is.
Very good.
I am going to my office. I don't like this anymore.
Bye. Get out.
Cook your food.
Yes, master. Yes, master. You Lord is back.
You can start.
Everybody in the kitchen, you have to listen.
Okay.
We have to make the food. And
Oh no.
sorry to smoke. You guys burn too much food back here. We have to make the food for the people. So the food is. We sing a song to make the food.
I think we need to sit down.
We have to sing the song for the food.
Your arms a little back.
Ready?
Okay.
See?
Sing a
What shall we
song.
sing?
Sing us a song. Food is good.
Food is good.
Food is good.
Eat right here.
Eat right here.
Food is good.
Food is good.
Yo, my
Spread some cheer.
Spread some cheer.
Because why?
Why?
Because the food is good.
Oh.
So good. It really is.
Eat right here.
Okay, I eat here every day, you know.
The food is good.
Oh my god.
Spread some cheer. You guys not singing my song.
Okay.
Well,